and welcome to Emirates NBD's Unity Run. We've had thousands of runners from all walks of life, including PWDs as well, played an active part as well in the run.
It's a fabulous community event and it's all about inclusion. It's about tolerance in diversity in the wonderful country that we live, the United Arab Emirates.
Emirates NBD is really proud to be the lead sponsor for this event as well.
I'd really like to thank Emirates NBD for their continued support of this amazing event. I'd also like to thank all the participating partners who give so much of their free time and their enormous generosity to make something like this happen. And it shows that beyond all the glitter, there is a strong beating heart here in the UAE.